Hi, today we are going to explore an almost perfect trading strategy, simple and effective, using just two moving average. No matter if you are a novice in trading, I assure you that you will be able to understand and put it into practice. Join me in making intelligent decisions in the exciting and mostly boring world of trading. First, let's explain what moving averages are. Imagine you are at home and throughout the morning it gets really hot, so you look for a thermometer. The thermometer won't give you every temperature, but rather an average temperature. Knowing this, you may decide to leave your house wearing appropriate clothing. That's right, knowing the average temperature of the day can help you make informed decisions. In trading, a moving average is like your thermometer. Price above a moving average indicate that an asset is becoming popular, that people are buying and the temperature is rising. On the other hand, price below the moving average indicate that people are losing interest in that asset and the mood is cooling down. The key to our strategy is simple, using the grand 200 period moving average. Imagine trading as a battlefield, where bull nation traders fight to advance and conquer more territory, while bear nation traders push the price down, trying to snatch territory from the bull army. Now, imagine the grand 200 period moving average as a great wall that serves to divide the territories of these groups. When the price crosses above the 200 period moving average, it means the bull army is winning, and it's time to join the winning side. Conversely, when the price crosses below the grand 200 period moving average, the bear nation is winning, and it's better to gather your most precious possessions and flee. Now, close the doors and windows. Make sure no one is watching, because I will tell you the strategy in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Add a simple moving average and set it to 200 periods. I will make it green because I like how it looks. Step 2. Add an exponential moving average and set it to 200 periods. I will make it a lighter shade of green for better identifications. Remember, color is irrelevant. I'm doing it for aesthetic purpose. The functionality is the same. Step 3. Let's identify our great wall between the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. A strong support and resistance zone is formed. This zone is our dividing line between Olympus and Hades. Now, you just have to do the hardest thing in trading. Wait for the price to close above this channel, and it's time to buy. Or if the closing price is below this channel, it's time to sell. But why is this strategy almost perfect? Remember, the financial market is unpredictable as deciding which pizza to order with your friends. In the end, everyone has different opinions. You must remind yourself every day that there are no magic recipes or infallible indicators. All systems lose money and can do so for a long time before hitting a winning trade. It's best to have an open mind and experiment with a strategy in a demo account for months before venturing to invest any cents. Don't let impulsive decisions or emotion like optimism or greed take over. However, the virtues of this strategy are that it shows you the main price trend, being a channel instead of a line, filter out some failed signals, and most importantly, stop losses are a headache for many of us, but the channel boundaries act as a dynamic stop loss, so you no longer have to worry about where to close your trade. Now, let's do a quick quiz. How many moving averages should you add? What type should they be? What should you do when the price of an asset closes above the 200 period channel? It's as simple as that, but it requires patience and analysis. Remember, trading is not just about buying and selling. It's important to have a clear strategy, and before opening a position, you need to know when you will sit. Until the next video, my friends.